Symmetry is an electron backscatter diffraction camera. That is, it's an accessory for an electron microscope, and it's one which offers a step change in productivity.
It enables us to study the microstructure of materials from millimetre to nanometre scale. This analysis provides quantitative data or striking visualisations that really bring the sample to life.
Before Symmetry, it just wasn't possible for an EBSD detector to do everything that the user wanted. High resolution, high speed, both with high sensitivity. We knew that to run faster we'd have to replace CCD with CMOS technology. CMOS sensors are much faster than CCD, but unfortunately they're much noisier, leading to lower quality and lower sensitivity imaging. Scientific cameras just didn't use CMOS, and we realised if we developed a customised CMOS sensor and improved the light coupling efficiency to that sensor, we could get the best of both worlds, high sensitivity and high speed in a single device.
The speed and sensitivity of Symmetry unlock new applications in developments like improving the efficiency and manufacturability of solar cells and developing more effective battery materials.
Symmetry moves electron backscatter diffraction from the realms of the specialist to being actually a technique where you can just put your sample in the microscope and in a few minutes you've got an enormous amount of information, but it's no longer a painstaking process.